Hey, y'all, it's SalonDivaV in the place to be, my garden. So today I am taking all my peppers and transplanting them into smaller pots and then putting them in the garage on that right there. So we're gonna overwinter them because a couple of these I just bought maybe like a month or two, and I don't have no coins to be wasting. So let me transfer. Let me turn you guys around. So this is a couple of them, and look at this one. This one, she was split right here, and as you guys see, I took that the bread tie, twist her up, and she healed right over. Gonna cut her down and put all of them, try to see if I can put them in the original pots that they came in, like this one. This is a red bell pepper. She didn't grow very much at all, so I'm just going to snip her, probably just these leaves off, and that's about it. Put her back in here, and look at the newest addition to the garden. This was on sale at Houston Garden Centers. It's a spineless blackberry, a thornless blackberry, and it was 50% off, and I got it for $12.49. Excited about that. And I'm also taking cuttings of my coleus, and so we transplanting them into smaller pots, taking cuttings, so I will have some more for springtime to put in my garden bed over here. I also I cut down this rose bush right here because it was big. This one has died, so we're gonna be pulling this one up. I don't know when, because them thorns is thorning, baby. And we cut this Texas sage bush down. I'm gonna try to even that out a little bit more, make it look a little bit better than that. And this area is looking pretty pitiful, but I made another plant out of this one and put all of these purples in
Purple
here.
heart plant.
All of that is original. That aloe vera is monsterine. Yes, it is. So yeah, that is this section right here, trying to get out the way of the mosquitoes. And this is this little section right here. I'm probably going to cut this down some more, take all the cuttings I have. So for the spring, I will have lots and lots of coleus. And this is my, what's the name of this?
My begonias.
So yeah, took some cuttings of this also. And yeah, that's it for that section. So let's get to planting and transplanting these bell peppers and peppers. Okay, y'all, so all of the pots, or all of the plants, are in smaller containers. Cut off all the leaves, cut them down to where it was recommended for me to cut them to, and I'm gonna water them in real good, put them on my grow shelf in the garage, and overwinter them and hope for success for next year. And I think I have one more that's in the garden that I need to come and bring over here. I'm not gonna water them in too much because the soil was kind of moist when I pulled them out of their pots. But I just want to make sure that the plant and the soil is connecting. So after I water them in, I'm going to push them down a little bit more to make sure there is no air holes in the soil. I hope you liked this video showing you guys my, let me get out the sun. Showing you guys my crepe myrtle. I just repotted that one, put some more soil in there, and because it was sitting like way down in the bottom, like towards the middle. So put some soil in there, repotted that, it's doing well. But yes, y'all, that is it for this video. Click that like button, share me with your family and your friends. I'm SalonDivaV and the place to be, y'all. My garden. I like my little patio set that I haven't set in once. Yeah. Check out my other social media profiles. Check out my other channel. It's called SalonDivaV. It's a lifestyle channel where I do thrifting and other things that I like to do in my life. And I will see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. Peace.